I feel like I'm already like brighter. Okay.
Drip, 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 drip. Drip so wet, he can't stand it. Drip so wet, he can't stand it. Drip so wet, he can't stand it. Dripping on another planet,
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Britt, aka Britt the Boss, and we are back with another video. And I don't know if you can tell, but this time we are up close and personal because we are focusing on the skin today. So for a while there's been this trend, you know, like derma-planing or shaving your face at home. So we're gonna try that today. I do want to remove some dead skin. They said it's gonna be easier and smoother for makeup application and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try that, and then I'm also gonna have a little special guest on my channel today, so you stay tuned for that. But before we start all that shaving and stuff, I do want to go ahead and just prep our skin before we get into it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my face is freshly cleansed. I double cleansed, and I also toned my face with some witch hazel. That's kind of what I usually do anyway, but let's get into it. Okay, so the products that I'm using today, I've used bio oil on the regular anyway, so I'm just going to use that as the oil to do this. And then I just have like an eyebrow razor from the beauty supply store. And then I just have my mirror down here so I could just get a better look. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put this oil on. And I'm going to put like a lot of it because I don't want to cut myself. So I'm going to put a lot in my hand, and I'm just going to place it on my skin. I really hope this works because primers be lying. What are y'all doing? Okay, anyway. So I'm going to put that on a little bit more on my forehead. I'm scared. Okay, so we got a good amount on. I don't know why I put it on my eyelids, but okay. So now we got that on. I'm scared. So I got my little eyebrow razor, and they said 1, to take your time, and 2, to like kind of hold your skin down. But I don't know how I'm supposed to hold my skin down when it's slippery. So yeah, I'm about to just look down here, or I guess I'll hold my mirror up so I can see. And yeah. Ooh, y'all see that? Oh, this is nasty. Who knew I was this hairy? I am weak. Yo. Oh. When I tell y'all I am weak, what? Oh, it's falling off. It's falling off. Okay, let me go get a paper towel so I can put this hair on it, and then I'll be back. I already know where I really need to get, and that is this mustache. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back and do my mustache so y'all can see how much of a hairy man I am. I should have took like a before picture or something, because this is crazy. Wow. I feel like I'm already like brighter. Okay. I always get, fun fact, I always get this long hair that grows like right here, and it be like this long. That's disgusting. Okay, so let's get this mustache, because I know I'm just gonna use my tongue to kind of like stretch it out a little bit. As y'all know, I usually get my lips waxed, but we are quarantined right now, so can't do that. I feel like I'm gonna have a hella dead skin on my nose, but let's see. Look at that. Wow. I'm trying not to do too much because I am a little scared, but let's do my forehead. Just be a little careful when it comes to your eyebrows. I think I'm done. I'm gonna show y'all what the finished product is on here. This is all the hair that came off of that, all the dead skin and dirt on my face. That is disgusting. I'm just gonna take another one and kind of put some, what is the word I'm looking for? Put some witch hazel on it, on my whole face. So I just got a cotton round and I'm gonna use this one. And I'm just going to kind of go over everything. I'm going to do a mask after this. I'll probably show y'all too, but I'm gonna bring my special guest on in a second. Okay, so this is my special guest. He thinks he's hot shit because he got his hair cut today. You're so cute.
Pete cuts, you feel me? Holla at my dog. He gets you right every time.
But he did exactly what I did before. So he double cleansed. He actually triple cleansed, but I had to make sure he did it right. And then I'm just gonna use some witch hazel. Why are you smiling so? We didn't even say your name. Say your name. Talk to the people.
How y'all doing? My name King. You feel me?
David.
Ah.
Your name is not King.
Oh, my bad, my bad. Most people know me as David. Some people know me as King.
Nobody knows you as King. He told me not to mess up his hairline, so we're gonna try and keep it below that. But we're just toning him up right now with some witch hazel. Okay, so now we're gonna put some oil on. Y'all, he really liked this. He was the one that wanted to do this video in the first place. Like, how do you even find out about this stuff? I am not lying. So you wasn't pressed to make this video?
Nope.
Lie again. What are you doing? You about to touch your face. It's oil.
Oh,
so
my God.
One for him. Now don't move because I'll cut your ass.
It wasn't mine, bro.
You just let it like shape him up a little bit.
Guys, if you think I should let her shave my eyebrows up, drop a comment.
Look, you're glowing already. Look at that face.
I always glow.
Okay.
Boy, if you don't get...
Excuse the hell out of me.
Ladies, if your man not taking care of his face, taking care of his skin, you don't need him.
Who put you on though?
I've been taking care
No,
of my
who put you
own
on to
skin.
skincare?
Me.
I put him on to all skincare, okay? Don't let him fool you. This is all the hair that came off of yours. Yeah. This is all the hair that came off of his. And this one is mine. Look at that.
Holla at your boy.
Ow! Okay, so it's me again. And we're not quite done yet. I think we're going to do a mask now. Y'all want to say hi to... Come, say hi to the people. There she goes. Look at the babies. Say hi. Get mommy's babies. You can't lick my face right now, sorry. Say hi. All right, so we're gonna do our mask, and we're going to use the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. That was a lot of words. The Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Yeah, so I usually use this for my face, and then I just mix it with some apple cider vinegar. Okay, so I have my little paste concoction, whatever, right here, and then I just have a makeup brush that I never use because I forgot to get like the little applicator from Target. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. All right, so we're going to go ahead and let this dry for like 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to wash it off and come back with the final results. You see my edges? Look at your girlfriend edges.
Shit.
All right, y'all, so this is the final product of everything. The dermaplaning, the mask, and everything else like that. Y'all, I honestly think that helped. Like, look how glowy we are. Like, so while I was waiting for my face mask to dry, I did go ahead and just like look up some benefits of dermaplaning or shaving your face. Besides the obvious, you know, removes the hair from your face, but it also, you know, that peach fuzz on your face traps oils and all kind of dirt. It also helps prevent fine lines, reduces the appearance of scars or acne scars or whatever y'all got going on, and it helps the products that you use penetrate your skin better. So I honestly think that everyone should try it. It's cheap. You can use any kind of oil. I just use this oil because this is what I use on my face anyway. This was like $1.50 at the beauty supply store, so I definitely think that y'all should invest. Yeah. All right, so this is our face. He just swear he cute. My forehead looks huge. Why my forehead looks huge? I think it's the angle. But yeah, so I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. More videos on the way. With this quarantine, it's really messing up my videos because I ordered some stuff and it needs to get here so I can do this video, okay? Because I got some content for y'all. Our skin looks good, we look good, and thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.